problem we were asked to solve by our project partner was essentially asking us to do a research project. And we were working with Climate Action California to research 30 questions about the invisible methane crisis in California.
One of the biggest challenges we're facing right now is obviously that for those, biggest emitters of fossil fuel industries, and they have those kind of bigger stations which cost thousands of dollars to monitor the methane productions. However, we want to make this a household item where every family in California or in the United States, around the world, they can use this $15 device to track their own methane productions.
The first thing that we learned is that effective communication is very important. So we had weekly meetings on every Wednesday with our industry partners, and we used to ask them questions and they used to give us advice on where we should be looking at. And the industry partners were very helpful. They were able to make us realize that some problems just stem from your household. And we were able to build a methane sensor for only $15 by buying stuff off of Amazon. And we want to now encourage people to install that in their house trash cans or anywhere in their house.
I would say initially we had a rocky start. All of this information was pretty much new to me. I think the statistics for methane emissions in general were shocking for all of us. But as everyday students, we realized that there was a problem, that your average Joe, your average person just walking about their life, going about their daily routine, they didn't necessarily know or understand the magnitude of methane emissions. So we had to take a very open-ended project and turn it into something that was actually applicable. And I think we did it pretty effectively.
This fellowship gave me a chance to work with people from different major, different approach, and we have to divide tasks according to what we're good at. This gave me a better perspective how it's going to be if I work in the industry, because I'm not just going to work with someone else from my major.
We all found our place in the project and we all managed to come together to build something that's going to be beneficial to the environment that we all care for.
It changed the way I view my major, it changed the way I view engineering, it changed the way I view the future possibilities of innovation, sustainability, health, etc. And it's really inspiring to be around a new group of people with different backgrounds, like you guys said, and work on a project that you all care so deeply about.
This fellowship really allows you to explore and go in any direction. So if you have an idea, be part of this fellowship and bring it to life.